Hey guys, my name is Jen and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future uploads. So for today's vlog, I am going to share to you my preparations or our preparations for our new trip. We are going to Gran Canaria!
Gran Canaria, also called Gran Canary Island, is the third largest and second most populous island of the Canary Islands, an archipelago off the Atlantic coast of Northwest Africa, which is part of Spain. Gran Canaria is located in the Atlantic Ocean in a region known Macaronesia, about 150 kilometers off the northwestern coast of Africa and about 1,350 kilometers from Europe. Gran Canaria is also the third most populated island in Spain.
Actually, I am not into traveling now, but it's my husband. He found this very nice offer and very cheap price that I'm going to talk about it later. Also, how much that includes the ticket and the hotel. So for the preparation for today, we are going to Stavanger city. We are going to take the antigen test because that's needed. Although both of us, Habi and I, are fully vaccinated, we need to show the negative result of antigen test in order to get on board on the plane. Okay, so now we are going there in Stavanger, take the test. By the way, guys, our flight is gonna be tomorrow. So yeah, anyway, that's all for now and I'm gonna update you more later. Hey guys, we're back home and we did a little bit shopping there in Stavanger while waiting for the result. The result of the antigen test, it will be attached directly or I can check it at Helsenorge. It's a webpage here in Norway where you can see the information about the vaccination and the COVID tests that I have been. So yeah, we paid 450 for the antigen test in Salobritas. It's like half a price if we're going to take the test there at the airport, because at the airport it costs 950 Norwegian kroners. So yeah, we saved a little bit there. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do some packing. I haven't packed my clothes yet, and our goal is to get everything packed tonight before going to bed. There's one thing I want to share to you. We needed to fill up the health control form, and so that we can obtain the QR code which we are going to present when we arrive in Spain. So we logged into www.spth.gov.es and needed to fill up we needed to give up the flight number, upload our digital corona certificates, passport, have I mentioned it? Yes, like that, and personal details and the place where we're going to stay. Some questions like if we've been in contact with anyone who's got COVID, so stuffs like that. So we put that in order as well. And also we were actually thinking of just taking a taxi from the airport to the apartment where we are going to stay, but I don't think it's a good idea at this time. So we've decided to rent a car from the airport that I'm going to show you once we get there. Hey guys, good morning, time check. It's 4:35 and I didn't sleep that good last night, guys. I think it's only like 2 hours of sleep. Anyway, we're gonna get going. Our plan is to leave here at home at 5 o'clock. I just had an overview last night before I went to bed. The plane leaves at 8:20. We have plenty of time, so I'm still not awake. I need a cup of coffee. I'm gonna have a coffee when I get to the airport. So I'm gonna update you more later, guys, okay? walking towards the airport, Sola Airport, and we arrived ahead of schedule. It's before 6 o'clock. We have plenty of time, and my husband parked the car there at the parking lot. Oh, it's cold. It's 4 centigrades. 4 centigrades. It's gonna be good to get inside, guys. Shuttle bus 10. This bus is here. It goes to P10, to the parking lot. And that one there in front, that bus, that one, I think that goes all the way to the city. So guys, we are now inside the Sola Airport, and that's the arrival area. And as you can see, they have decorated already for Christmas. And there's the check-in area. We have checked in, and this time we just used the self-checked-in machines, like you see there behind me. So it's really easy, and we arrived ahead of schedule, so that was good. The only out of sync here is I don't have a coffee. Yeah, the kiosk there, that one, yeah, it opens at 6:30, so I'm gonna wait a little while. This trip, it just came out of the blue, like we really did, we found a really good offer, because on this all in all it cost 3,927 Norwegian kroners. That includes ticket of the plane and accommodation for 1 week, and the original price for one person of this flight is 4,395 per person, and we got a discount of 2,500, so that's really good deal. And the place where we are going to stay in Gran Canaria, that's in San Agustin, that's only 21 minutes drive from the airport. So well, you get to see the place as well later today. The flight leaves at 8:20 in the morning, arrives there around 12:30. Yeah, so yeah, it's really good offer. Hey guys, we are here at the boarding gate right now, and there's a sign there that we need to get papers ready, just like passport, QR code, COVID-19 certificate, and other documentation. We're happy that we were moved to seat 27. We're supposed to be sitting all the way to the back there. Yeah, we're moved here on seat number 27. So look at it's almost full. And it's still dark outside. Yeah. Hey guys, so now we are in Las Palmas in Gran Canaria Airport, and we are now in a queue. They're going to check. They're going to check the QR code which we filled out last night. So since it's inside the Schengen area, there's no passport control, only this one they need to check. So right now I'm sitting outside the airport and I'm waiting for my husband. He went in to go to the car agency to take out the car key. And then yeah, I was just wondering guys, because after the queue, the health control pass, it was checked twice. Now I'm really kind of exhausted guys, and we're going to drive to San Agustin. That will be our home for a week. So I'm excited to show you the place as well and how it looks like. So I'm gonna leave it here for now, and then if ever you're not yet subscribed to my channel guys, please subscribe. I'll be updating you more on my upcoming vlogs. Okay, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.